Hi, I'm from Function Fabrication, and we created the Tortoise Adventure Wallet out of Kydex for the Manufacturing Systems class here at SUNY Oswego. So we spent a lot of time in the product development phase. It was a new material that none of us had ever worked with before, and it took us a long time to get to here. One of the core elements, because we were designing for consumers and not for a specific buyer, was to go out and meet people and talk to them and get people's opinions on the product. So we made lots of different models before we finally got to our final prototype. But initially we made them out of a cheaper plastic called polycarbonate, just because we went through a lot of material just figuring out what the form would look like. So two different styles. There's either the glossy trails blazer or the rugged outdoorsman, and we make them to order so people can order whatever they want. The product also comes with the Oswego logo embroidered on the back. We licensed the use of it, and it's been very popular. It's made out of Kydex, which is a recyclable polymer, which is a mixture between PVC and acrylic. Kydex is 100% recyclable, and we actually use recycled Kydex in all of our products, so it has a better footprint. So we're gonna go see what people think of our product. Hey, so do you mind helping us for a second?
Sure, why not?
I'm in a manufacturing systems class, and we're designing a wallet made out of this material, Kydex. Yeah. I kind of just wanted to get your opinion on it.
Okay. It's nice, it's firm. I think it fits well in my pocket. Yeah.
Yep. See, and you can take the
sliding.
cards.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, nice. Nice. All right.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely would you be to buy one of these?
Since I already have a wallet myself, I don't feel the need to buy another wallet. Okay. But if, say, my wallet were damaged or I lost my wallet and needed a new one, 6, 7.
Okay. Yeah. What do you like? What makes you a 6 instead of a 5?
I like that it's compact and that the sliding. I have to take my ID out. It's easy, simple, instead of just pulling it out and it's simpler to take the ID. That's my main thing that
okay.
I like.
And if you say you didn't have a wallet and you were looking for a wallet, what would keep you from buying this wallet?
It looks a little small to me.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like having multiple compartments. Yeah. So multiple compartments would be nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right. So this is how we make our thermoforming mold. We use the CNC machine here by the Techno. To run the file, I already got my file in on the machine 0 to home and everything. We just got to start it. So we're cutting the Kydex down to 8.5 inches, therefore it'll fit in the thermoformer without having too much waste overlapping. And thus we use the guide here to measure it at 8.5. And we hold it there and pull down the lever and it cuts it nice. And we bring this to the thermoformer. Alright, so we're placing the Kydex on the rubber holders here to keep it still. And then we bring down the frame, lock it down, pull the hood over, and it goes for 150 seconds. And then we gotta wait.
Pull the handle up, pull lock, hit the vacuum button.
Alright, so to remove the mold and remove the Kydex, we first need to press the release valve, blows a little air to get the mold released, and you shut off the vacuum, unlatch, lift up, and extract.
So after the material comes out of the thermoformer, we trim off the edges to take off any imperfections so the laser cutter does a better job. And I break it in half, and then it goes to the laser cutters.
Alright, so now that we have these, we're going to take them over to the laser cutter and cut out the actual shape and size of the mold or wallet that we're going to be making today. So it's way too loud in there to shoot the rest of the video, so we're just going to talk about a little bit about the setup, about what we do in there. So safety is very important. Setup is very important to this operation. So because we're working with a laser cutter, laser engraver, we're working with heat. So we're basically cutting plastic with a laser. So, and it's made with PVC and acrylic. So there's poisonous gases you have to watch out for. So you need to make sure the vacuum's running, air pressure's running. And you need to make sure, most of all, that everything is set up in a way that it cuts out perfectly, because in this operation, alignment is key. So when we get in there, I'm going to show you the cutting files that we work with. It's a program called Corel. It saves all the settings for the laser engraver. And I'm just going to show you how I put these in, the mold we use, and I think we're all set to go.
It's clean and comes out of the laser cutter, it's time for the folding. So what we use is called a strip heater, and what happens is this is a strip of hot ceramics that heats up the edge that we're about to fold.
Support block, just to make contact with all three sides. We push the spline down, then fold over and verify that everything is touching this piece of wood on here.
Hey Ben, are we done with that? Are we done with this now?
Yeah, we're done. I think we have. Use the rest of your shipment.
Thank you so much.
Have a good
Be
one.
Great. Yes, thank you.
Ultimately, we were very successful. We're on track to sell all the maximum amount of products. We've made almost $1,000 in revenue, and we kept our margins at 70%, which is a great margin, especially since we did wholesale for a lot of customers. And you know, we'll ultimately make plenty of money back, and this was a real success. And I think we all enjoyed doing it. It was definitely a great learning experience for all of us, working with a material we had never worked for before, learning the laser cutter and the CNC machine, and just really growing as people.